Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Puravive, a unique and innovative product designed to help you achieve healthy weight loss and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Puravive is a blend of natural extracts and vitamins that are specially formulated to support your body on its way to weight loss. Puravive works by increasing your metabolism, improving digestion, and reducing appetite. With its blend of natural ingredients, including green tea extract, chromium picolinate, and caffeine, Puravive helps boost your energy levels and ensure you stay active and motivated throughout your weight loss journey. One of the key factors in achieving healthy weight loss is a balanced and nutritious diet. Puravive contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12 to help support your immune system, brain function, and overall health. In addition, the green tea extracts in Puravive can help improve your metabolism, allowing your body to burn more calories and lose weight more efficiently. Puravive is not a magic pill or a short-term solution to your weight loss problems. It's a long-term commitment to your health and well-being to help you achieve a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. By incorporating Puravive into your daily routine, you are setting yourself up for success on your weight loss journey. In conclusion, Puravive is an excellent product to support your weight loss efforts. With a blend of natural ingredients and proven benefits, it can help improve your metabolism, increase energy levels, and promote a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. So if you're looking for a tool to help you achieve your weight loss goals, consider giving Puravive a try. Your body will thank you for it.